Yes.
Let's go cook some.
Let's go cook.
Okay, here I have 3 stems of spring onion. Cut them about so. We want a little bit of the white bits of the onion shredded. Cut them into. This is for when we marinate the beef. Three and a half tomatoes. Pickled sour mustard. Here we just cut them into small chunks like so. Okay, for the beef, I'm using a cut called Shin of Beef. It's got nice marble bits, vein running through it. And this is a tough cut of meat. The butcher's already cut this up for us. So we're gonna marinate this, brown it off before we make the soup. So that's the sort of cuts that we wanted to. I think we've got around 600 grams of beef there. Okay, to marinate this, we're gonna go in with the spring onion finely chopped earlier. About 1 teaspoon of garlic, Shaoxing wine, fish sauce, around a tablespoon, and black pepper, teaspoon, plug of oil, and give it a good mix. Let that marinate for 20 minutes if you can, or even half an hour, that's better. And then we're gonna brown it and make the soup after. High heat. Don't add the oil until the wok start giving out smoke. About a tablespoon of oil. Be patient here, wait for the oil to also get hot. Okay, in with the beef. Okay, when you're browning meat, don't just pour everything in all at once. Be patient, take your time. 2 or 3 pieces at a time. So, what that does is it keeps the pan sizzle, and it doesn't draw out the moisture from the meat. Okay. Have a look at that. Okay, I think that would do it. Okay, put that into a pot. In the same pan, deglaze all the goodness at the bottom of the pan for you. By doing this, it will add a really nice aromatic sort of flavour to the dish, to the soup. Okay, that goes in the pot, and there's our pot. Go in with a bit of okay, we're gonna bring that to the boil, and then we're gonna braise it for at least 1 hour, and then we're gonna see if the meat is soft enough. Don't worry about the green mustard vegetables. That will hold its shape, it will stay beautifully in there. If anything, it will get softer, but it releases the mustard flavor into the beef as well as you braise. So We're gonna bring this to the boil and then just scoop out all the impurities there so that the soup will be nice and clear. By the time we're finished with it, leave it on boiling high for a little bit so that it covers all the impurities down this way. Make it easier for us to skim it. There you go. Now you can turn the heat down a little bit so that it simmers. So this has been simmering for about an hour now, and we've lost a little bit of soup in there, so we're going to add this on. There you go, perfect. Now we're going to go in with the tomatoes. At this point here, we're going to start doing the tasting. Cubes that we have left from there, I say put half of them in. Another taste. I say go for it. Put a lot of it in. Very subtle flavour of sourness. Bit of salt. Tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of fish sauce. Beautiful. Now bring that back to the boil. All in all, that's been around simmering about for an hour and 15 minutes. An hour for the vegetables and the soup, and then add the tomatoes in 15 minutes, so that's perfect right there. Right now we're gonna add a bit of garnishes in with the spring onion. Perfect, look at that, wow. Because it's been in there for over an hour, it's now beautifully soft. So warm, so comforting. Melt in your mouth.